Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Jazakallahu khair for choosing Be a Mercy Foundation in fulfilling your Qurbani obligation. May Allah reward you and grant you the highest status in Jannah. Through Be a Mercy, you have brought relief to so many around the world. May Allah never deprive you of His blessings and favors. Ameen. May you see the reward of your generosity in this world and in the next world. Thank you very much.
Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar. La